Hey guys, this is Cesar Gutierrez with Keller Williams Laredo. Today we'll be going over creating a Facebook campaign. All right, so before we actually get to the campaign, what I like to do is create a landing page for it. So we're gonna go over here to consumer. Okay, this is real easy, guys. We're gonna click here on create a new site. We're gonna create a standalone page. And we'll start off here by putting the address. Okay, once you do that, you'll put in the branded header. You'll put in the listing, and you scroll all the way down and put the, where to go? The legal footer. So you don't have to put the lead form because when you're creating that campaign, you're already going to get their information once they get onto this particular page. Okay, so once you have all those dragged and dropped, you'll go to configure widgets. You'll start off with branded header and make sure you have all this information filled out. Okay, so here what we can put is the address. Here you put your team logo. I'm gonna swap it out for the KW Laredo one. Okay, once you have all that filled out, you'll go ahead and save and apply. Okay, then you can go back here and browse listing. Okay, so then you just type in the address. You find your listing, select, save and apply. And then you go into your legal footer. You just want to make sure that everything is checked off just to be sure before you move forward. So once you're done, all you have to do is publish page. Yes. And then here you go to change URL. That way you know which one it is. You just put the address without any spaces. All right, now we're ready to create our campaign. So you just go to campaigns. You'll go over here and create a new campaign. Go to social ad. Here, put in the address of the the campaign for the listing that you're going to be working on. And here you can advertise listing, advertise multiple listings. And here, what I'm going to be doing is just advertising a specific listing to attract buyers. So I'll click here to attract buyers, and I'm going to click on Facebook. Okay, set up campaign. Okay, so then here you have to select your listing. Make sure you go here where it says show. Make sure you select on all listings. You'll put the address. And sometimes you'll get duplicates. And the way that happens is, let's say this was previously listed with another agent. So the way you'll know which one is the correct one is just making sure that the listing agent is from your office or it's your particular listing. So you select it and it'll come out already there. Okay, so in this particular one, this is more of an investment property. It's a small duplex, so it'll automatically pull out the information that is on the MLS. So if this is the information it has, it'll automatically upload it here. So you can change it. What you do want to make sure is that it doesn't go past, because some people put a lot of information. So you want to make sure that it doesn't go to that point where it's the dot dot dot. Let me show you what I mean. I'm just gonna copy paste it. I'll paste it one more time. Okay, now it doesn't let you actually. So just make sure that everything that's here actually comes out right there. Okay. So this one, I'll leave it as is. And then the headline, you can kind of put, let's see if it lets you put some emojis here. And guys, this is a good time to start using these campaigns because you will be able to get reach out to more people, especially right now during quarantine, that we can't be really visiting any offices to see, to meet people. Um, so yeah, let's see if it works out here. Okay, calling all investors for this duplex opportunity. Okay, and we'll go ahead and copy it again and paste it. And again, you kind of don't want to have the same thing up here. So up here, you can just change it to something else. But for the sake of this video, we'll leave it as is. You want to kind of have something catchy. This is one of the ones that you want to have the most catchy. This will go away. We have to put something because it has a little red star here. But it's going to go away when we select the type of algorithm we want with Facebook. So I just like to put click here for more info. Sorry, I put all caps. Click here for more information. Okay, then you want to save. Once you have that, you go to configure. So you want to make sure that you click on your page. And make sure you use the lead, the Facebook lead generation. This is going to automatically populate their information. And once you click submit, it will automatically go into your database and you'll get a notification as well. So what happens when they click and submit their information? So this is where the landing page comes into play. So here we'll go into the landing page we created. So that way they'll click on it and they'll be able to see more information on that particular property. Okay. And here you can use custom settings. Here we're in Laredo, Texas, and we're a small city, so I'll try to go as small as possible as far as radius. And here on interest, make sure, for example, if you use Trulia, make sure you don't use this one because this is for agents. So you don't want really to spend that money on advertising to agents. You want to advertise to people that are looking to buy. Okay, so I know there's first-time home buyer, and you can put both of these. Okay, and then if it's going to be your first time, I recommend you kind of scroll through all these. I know it's a good amount of them, but that way you kind of write down which ones you like, or you can just type here to see if anything comes out that you like. So once you're done with selecting your items, save selection or your interest, you save your selection and save Facebook ad. After that, you go here and it's always going to start the following day. So today's April 22nd. So the ad is going to start tomorrow. They always recommend you do 10 days and at least $3 per day. I've done campaigns for $30 and $50, and I've gotten kind of the same results. So I like sticking at $30. You can do more if you'd like. So, and that's totally up to you. So once you have that, you save, and then here you can kind of see how it'll come out if they're on their mobile device. Okay, so once everything's already checked out, you like how it looks, you'll go to publish campaign, and you'll have your information here. And if you have a credit, you will be able to apply it sometimes if you run a $30 campaign. And at the end of the 10 days, you still have an extra $5 that Facebook didn't use. That's where you'll see an extra credit here that they'll give you. You won't get that money back into your card, but you will be able to use that credit into your campaign. So once you're done here, you just click on create campaign. And that's it, guys. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me at cesargtz@kw.com. And thank you all for watching.